The MAPS process focuses on national climate mitigation planning, but given that the MAPS process is being run in developing countries, it's impossible to consider mitigation in the absence of the developmental impacts of mitigation. And there's a strong argument for climate mitigation having a positive development co-benefit. So the co-benefits lab really focuses on how countries can look at climate mitigation in conjunction with co-benefits or developmental benefits. The co-benefits lab is really an opportunity for the countries to share their experiences on attempting to consider co-benefits as part of their MAPS processes, explore some of the challenges that they've encountered already, and then get some training in various methodologies that are out there.
In the context of this co-benefits lab, I was very happy to share our experience and the existing tools that we've used for the past 10 years. Like, for example, our processes on local stakeholder consultation, the do no harm assessment, which is largely based on UNDP safeguarding principles. Then we also have the Sustainable Development Matrix, which really defines all the different indicators of co-benefits, like, for example, air quality, water quality, pollutants, quality of employment, etc. And finally, I gave an example on how to actually monitor these co-benefits, by whom, on how, and when these are being monitored.
Multiple criteria decision analysis refers to a set of approaches and tools that have been developed for addressing complex problems. Complex problems are those characterized by multiple stakeholders, each with different interests in the system or different values that they bring to any decision process, multiple criteria that need to be taken on board when analyzing a decision problem, and high levels of uncertainty and complexity that characterize the decision problem. So in order to address decisions of this nature in a structured fashion, one uses MCDA type techniques. And obviously the types of challenges that are being faced by MAPS countries falls very well into these types of problems, decision problems.
This co-benefit lab has been really useful for us to get to know the different methodologies that exist out there from the academic world and have been used by countries in some cases to assess the co-benefits of mitigation actions. It's a key component in the low carbon development strategy, especially in countries such as Colombia, where mitigation is not a focus because we're not huge emitters. So you have to make mitigation attractive to decision makers, and this is a great way to do that. So it's been very useful to get to know the methodologies, play with them, and see which fit best or how to adapt them to our national circumstances.